The whole purpose of Isa ibn Maryam to come back was because people started to make him the son of God, right? And he is coming back to clarify the misconception of the people that he is not son of God. And guess what? This Messiah is affirming the misconception. Anta minni manzilata awladi. Allah is saying to Mirza that you are like my children. Subhanallah. Hada buhtanun azim. Hada buhtanun azim. Allah says in the Quran that when somebody says that Rahman has awlad, the walad, it is as though as the heavens are about to rip open and the earth is about to shuck open. The point is this, brothers and sisters, what was the purpose of Messiah? One of the primary purpose was to clarify to the Christians, especially the Christians, that Allah has no son. And this Messiah is saying, no, I am the son of Allah. I am his children. Is he clarifying or is he confusing them?
And amazingly, one of the kufr statements of Christians, the Quran categorically denies and refutes is what? وَقَالَ اتَّخَذُ الرَّحْمَنُ وَلَدًا. وَقَالَ اتَّخَذُ الرَّحْمَنُ وَلَدًا. Exactly the same word Mirza uses here, that you are like to me, like my children, awladi. The Quran came to dismantle this concept of awlad of Allah or walad of Allah. The Mirza of Qadian, he wants to bring it back to humanity, claim that he is like the children of Allah. This statement itself is kufr akbar. It takes you directly out of Islam.
Exactly. No matter what meaning, no matter what cunning Ahmadiyya cleric, no matter what meaning they want to do, it is clear kufr. You cannot give it any meaning whatsoever. It is a clear kufr in every word.
Absolutely. Imtiaz bhai, even the Christians don't claim that Isa alayhi salam is a physical son of Allah. Christians don't claim that. Christians don't claim that. They give different meanings to the term. They give different metaphorical, spiritual meanings to the term. And Allah says, وَقَالَ اتَّخَذُ الرَّحْمَنُ وَلَدًا. Allah doesn't care about their meaning and their interpretations and their explanations. Allah simply hates the fact that they attribute a son to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in any form or shape. And Mirza, for whatever reason, calls himself like the children of Allah. He is to Allah like Allah has children. This is what he said. This alone should rock your belief in Mirza if you still believe in it. Seriously, we're not just sitting here because we have something against Mirza and you guys. No, it's not.